Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor, aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over Nitroshiba. Ticker symbol is Nishib. We're going to go over the information on this token and how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. Let's get into this token here. Nitroshiba. So like I said, ticker symbol is Nishib. This token is up 1.4% today. It actually might be up more now. Let me refresh the page. No, same price, 1.4%. So this token just got listed today on CoinGecko. Now, I did review another Nitro token. I believe it was Nitro Doge. I don't think it was Nitro Floki. But yeah, I think it was Nitro Doge. It came out, I want to say a couple weeks ago, maybe a month or so ago. It's on the Arbitrum blockchain. They have the Arbiscan here listed on CoinGecko. So basically, if you want to buy this token, you'd fund your Trust wallet or MetaMask wallet with USDC. That's what it says it's paired with. And then you'd go into the dApps. You would find SushiSwap. And then you would use the ticker symbol. Or sorry, not the ticker symbol. You'd use the contract address that you could find on CoinGecko or their official webpage, which is nitroshiba.xyz. And then you would trade your USDC on SushiSwap for the Nitroshiba token. You might have to set slippage if that's in the tokenomics, but we'll go over that. And yeah, they have a Twitter also listed on CoinGecko here, Telegram, official webpage, all sorts of stuff on here. So yeah, that's basically how you buy it. Now, if you go over to their official webpage, nitroshiba.xyz, they have a chart over there that you could look at from Dex Screener, but you could also see the chart on CoinGecko. They also have a Twitter, Telegram. So if you click on their Twitter, let's see how well they're doing on Twitter here. They have 955 followers so far on Twitter, 51 tweets. They just joined in February 2022. It says, Nitroshiba, the first and only Shiba on Arbitrum Nitro, fair launch, ownership renounced, and liquidity locked. So yeah, then they have their pinned tweet here. It says, quick week 1 update. So this is a very brand new token because it's still in week 1, it says. And that's a tweet from 14 hours ago. It says they've just recently hit 200 holders. Listing on CoinGecko, $100,000 in locked liquidity. Whitelisted on SushiSwap, $50,000 daily volume, 100 out of 100 token sniffer score. So yeah, all sorts of good stuff on there. Now, if we scroll up back to their official webpage here, they do have a really cool looking webpage. It says Arbitrum. There is no doubt that Arbitrum is the hottest optimistic roll-up L2 on the market. Arbitrum leads by TBL, volume, daily transactions, and overall adoption. Additionally, they hold more than 50% of the market share for the entire L2 ecosystem. Arbitrum season is upon us. And it says, check L2 Beat for details. And they have a link to go over there, whatever that is. So Nitroshiba is the community-owned, fair-launched token on Arbitrum. No utilities, no fake promises. Additionally, there is no phony, nonsensical white papers or meaningless play-to-earn elements. This will be a super straightforward degen play constructed solely on the Arbitrum community. Fair launched, community first, ownership renounced. So tokenomics says everybody wants gains, but very few are willing to do what it takes. Nitroshiba is here for individuals who want to unite and do whatever it takes to elevate the community to the next level, and in doing so, define their degen destiny. So total amount of tokens, it says 1 billion. Buy and sell tax is going to be 4%. So like I said, if you're going to buy this off Sushi Swap, there might be slippage and you might have to set it around 4% for buys and sells, maybe even transfers. But I would start low. I would start at, 0.1 and then try 1 and then 2, 3. Work your way up. Don't start at, the highest amount first. See what works. So max wallet, it says, is 1.5%, and that, incentivize. That's better for whales not pumping and dumping the token, holding a giant amount of tokens, like 50% of the tokens, and then dumping them, crashing the price, and then the token's ruined, basically. So yeah, only 1.5% max wallet. It says, join the squad. As members of Nitroshiba, we all need to realize that our success will only be reflected by the efforts we put in together. Nothing can stop our accomplishments if we all work together. That's why we intend to establish a hardcore and driven community of hodlers who are more than willing to put in the work to contribute. So then they have their Telegram and Twitter link. So let's see how well their Telegram's doing. Actually, now that I was looking at their Twitter. So far they have 285 subscribers in their Twitter or their Telegram. You can find it at Nitroshiba portal, and their Twitter is at Nitroshiba. So 51 tweets. Let me just scroll down, check out a couple tweets here. So they have competitions. It looks like on their Twitter it says Nitroshiba Twitter thread competition, giving away $500 to 3 best threads. Post a thread explaining why you're bullish on Nitroshiba and the Arbitrum ecosystem. Bonus points if you explain how to bridge funds, add our socials, and tag your favorite CT. Ends next week. So that's new, actually. They just posted that 4 hours ago, so you can get in on that thread competition if you want to and try to get yourself $500 worth of USDC. And that's great because you could use that USDC if you want to buy some Nitroshiba on Sushi Swap if you want to. Looks like they're also listed on Nomics. They just posted a Nomics chart and price on here, so that's cool as well. They also have how to bridge funds from other chains to Arbitrum, step-by-step guide. So that's interesting. They also have Medium articles listed on here too. So that was in the contest. They basically they say explain how to bridge, and then 2 tweets underneath that they have a step-by-step guide. So that's pretty easy. And yeah, then they also have all these different methods on here of how to bridge your tokens too. So I mean, if you want to just follow what they're saying on the Twitter here, they have a official bridge site and everything. Go over all that. Lots of cool info on their Twitter that you could check out. Now, I'm not a financial advisor, so why don't you guys let me know in the comment section, what do you guys think about this token? Do you think this is a good investment or not? Make sure you guys like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And check out all the referral codes down there in the description box. Get yourself some free crypto. Thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.